Hey guys, it's the brown skin next door. I am Brown Skin J here with part 2 of our Valentine's Day look. Let's get started. Instant age rewind in the shade golden. We're gonna use that to prime. Box of crayons. And we're going to use the pink shade here on a crayon case pencil. And I guess this is like a dome type birthday brush. And we're just going to like pack it in around the crease. Liking pictures, not returning text. I guess it's gone and I get the message. Still stutter after stay over my eyes because we're doing, I'm not gonna say like a spotlight, but we're doing like this halo looking thing. Cosmetics V19 brush, and I'm gonna take that tan shade right here. And I'm going to blend this pink out. So this is going to be like our transition color. So there won't be any harsh lines. With me. So we're just going to put that back in there. And stuff like that. And I wanted to do a true Valentine's Day look rather than my Valentine's Day look with a twist. And honestly, that wasn't even my Valentine's Day look. I wasn't even gonna do a Valentine's Day look this year. I was just like, I don't have a Valentine's, I'm over it, like, I don't even wanna do it. But I saw everyone else doing one, so I was just like, well, that I felt like I wasn't gonna have one made and done because I'm just so slow at like editing. Like, it's nothing for me to like record, you know, or to like film, but when it's time to like edit, I just slack. And so yeah, I didn't think I was gonna have it done in time. So I'm just like, I'm not even about to play. And then on a day like this, I had nothing to do. And yeah, so I was just like, well, this is the perfect time to take my Morphe M506 brush. I don't know if y'all can see. Which is like a really precise pointed pencil brush, and I'm gonna take the red shade I always do that. I always dig my fingers in the pans. See, I just did it again, y'all. The red shade here directly in the crease, and we're just going to deepen it. We're just going to deepen it, still keeping that oval. With me. A neutral look. So boring, so plain Jane. So Now that we have that red color going down, I'm gonna go back into the pink shade. And it's all about layering and blending and layering and blending. I'm going back into that pink shade. I need to do my hair, y'all, for real. Any hair pages or hair companies that want to collab with me, that would be great, you know what I'm saying? My email address for collabs is in the description box, and let's get it popping, because this right here, this natural girl stuff is not for me. I mean, I've always. Next, I'm gonna take my ABH soft glam palette. I'm gonna take the shade Mulberry over here in the corner on the same Morphe 506 brush, and we're just gonna further deepen that crease. The first time in 2 years I've been without a Valentine's, but it really doesn't bother me because the last 2 years my boyfriend is like long distance. He lived out of state, so it wasn't like we did anything anyways. But it's like the thought that counts, you know, him telling me Happy Valentine's Day and stuff like that. You know, I'm gonna miss that. But it's okay. It's okay. Like blending and back and forth, and people think, you know, people come to me as clients and think they want this blended and this all these colors, and it's like they think they're gonna be done in 30 minutes. And it's like, no ma'am, that's not how it works. Rose pigment, yes, rose pigment in the shade Noel. This pink pigment color. Pink. Nikki would love me. She would be so proud of me. Y'all know. A one glitter, and I'm gonna go on top, just so you get a good range of Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation by NYX in the shade Cappuccino. Classic Tan 353. Okay, I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Tan, and I'm putting that down first. I used the shade Tan, and then I think I used the shade Golden on top to highlight my face here. You would have learned a lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's gone and I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep in contact with certain exes. Do you though? Trust me, nigga, it's cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing culo and blue thighs, chilling poolside, living cool. I could've did what you did to me to you. And next, I'm taking my Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Suede Mocha. You guys know this is my favorite, and I'm gonna blend all of that out. When you're blending out your contour, you want to make sure you blend everything upward, like on your cheekbones, your jawline, and even like your hairline. You want to make sure you are blending upward in the upward motion, because if you drag it down, you're gonna look freaking ugly. Like I'm like muddy and it's nasty. So just make sure you're blending it upward.
I wanna get married, like the Curry, Steph and Aisha shit, but we more like Belly, Tommy and Keisha shit. Yeah, TLC, you wanna creep this shit, poured out my whole heart. I gave you, it was honest, yours. Everything was honest, mine is good. It was honest, yours, mine is yours. Live your life, is yours, it's yours, mine is yours. You get what you got, mine is yours, it's yours, mine is yours. Time for, time for, time for, come get this. Time for, guess you wanna jump out. You know what you doing, chatting with me. I was here for all of this, all of this, here for all of this, all of this, here for all of this, all of this, here for all of this. Can you bounce to this? Here for all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this, here for all of this, all of this. You a piece of shit, man. I thought you would've learned the lesson about liking pictures, not returning sex. I guess it's gone.
And now for my highlighter, I'm taking my Maybelline Master highlighter. I forgot the actual name, but it's in the shade Molten. I'm using that as my, actually, I lied to you. It's the Wet n Wild Loose pigment glitter in the shade Noel. I'm sorry, y'all. And then I'm just taking some black eyeliner. And here I'm literally doing the same steps that I did on the top of my eye at the bottom. So I'm using that pink, that red, and that mulberry color. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this look. This was my #2 look for Valentine's Day. I added this little pink heart right here. Super cute, super fun and easy. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.